Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the verb aller, the verb to go, which is very important verb, guys, and you are going to use this verb in each and every aspect of the life. So how to conjugate this verb? Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. So you see, this is the conjugation in present tense from I am going to they are going. And now let's make some sentences out of it. Je vais à Paris. I'm going to Paris. Je vais à Paris. Aujourd'hui, nous allons au supermarché. Today we are going to supermarket. Aujourd'hui, nous allons au supermarché. Elle va très rapidement. She is going very fast. Elle va très rapidement. En samedi, je vais à la salle de sport. On Saturday, I go to the gym. En samedi, je vais à la salle de sport. You can also use this verb in order to say some things in future tense, like for example, near future tense, like I'm going to speak with him. So, je vais parler avec lui. Or you can also say like je vais aller au musée. I'm going to go to the museum, or I will go to the museum actually. And est-ce que tu vas venir chez moi? Will you be coming to my place? So guys, that's it for today. I hope you understood everything, and please keep on revising the verbs, keep on revising the conjugations, and keep practicing speaking French every day with someone. If you like this part, please hit the like button and share this video with as many students as possible. So guys, keep learning French, and we are going to meet in the next video very soon. Till then, au revoir.